Want to keep your MirrorMate frame looking as fresh as the day you installed it? Here's how to clean and maintain it in just a few simple steps. First things first, regular dusting keeps your frame looking flawless. Just use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. For deeper cleaning, use a damp cloth with water or a mild soap solution. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasives. They can damage the finish. When cleaning your mirror, always spray glass cleaner onto your cloth first, never directly onto the mirror. This prevents liquid from seeping into the frame's edges. MirrorMate frames are built to withstand bathroom humidity, even in the steamiest showers and the messiest kids' bathrooms. Yep, we're looking at you, toothpaste splatter, and mystery smudges. But hey, a quick wipe down now and then never hurts. To keep your frame in top shape, avoid abrasive sponges, harsh cleaners, and excess moisture. A little TLC goes a long way. And that's it! With just a few simple steps, your MirrorMate frame will stay beautiful for years to come. Need more home upgrade tips? Subscribe and check out our website for more.